Introducing the most useful tool in any workshop, the Multitool. The innovative Multitool 362 is the high-quality grinding attachment for precision grinding and polishing work. The expert Australian production team at PA Products has ensured that your multi-tool is quality constructed, robust and maintenance-free. It is manufactured to an exacting international standard and is suitable to fit any 6-inch or 8-inch bench grinder. Its use of superior design technology makes the multi-tool a very versatile, efficient and advanced piece of machinery. Now let's see how easy it is to set up your multi-tool attachment. Upon opening your multi-tool box, check for any unlikely transit damage while removing the assembly from the box and report any damage to your supplier. Please fully read the fitting and safety instructions found in the box before proceeding with any installation. Firstly, the multi-tool drive pulley is not secured to the assembly. Therefore, you should remove the abrasive disc, the circular cover plate, and the 2 plastic bags of construction items. Set all these parts aside. Continue by holding the multi-tool and push down firmly on the lower run of the abrasive belt. This will compress the internal belt tensioning spring. The safety catch will automatically hold the slide contact wheel in the retracted position. From this position, simply remove the belt and the drive pulley. At this point, please disconnect your bench grinder from its power source for the duration of the following work. To fit the multi-tool to your bench grinder, it is first necessary to remove the abrasive wheel from the right-hand side of your grinder. Simply remove the wheel end cover, the retaining nut, the abrasive wheel and flanges, the wheel guard and work rest. You are now ready to fit the multi-tool. Take the multi-tool assembly and fit it to your grinder using the supplied bolts as necessary for your particular bench grinder. Use either the 3-slot or 4-slot pattern in the circular adapter plate to suit your grinder. The multi-tool should initially be installed with the spring housing contact wheel shaft approximately horizontal. If your multi-tool is to be used other than horizontally, simply loosen the 3 nuts which clamp it to the adapter plate. Tap the assembly bracket lightly away from the grinder body and swivel the assembly to the desired position. When finished, retension the 3 clamp bolts. The interface between the adapter plate and the multi-tool is a male-female tapered joint. To fit the drive pulley to your grinder, fit the components in this sequence. The dished and flat washers are supplied to fit various shafts. Pick the correct ones and slide closely on the shaft. Similarly, select a suitable nylon bush from the range and fit it to the drive pulley. It should then require light pressure and rotation to fit correctly on the grinder shaft while holding the left side wheel with a rag or gloved hand. Then tighten the shaft nut with a suitable spanner. Spin the grinder by hand and check the outer edge of the pulley for runout. If runout does exist, it is easily corrected by using the procedures outlined in the fitting instructions. You should now fit the circular cover plate to the pulley centre face. Simply use the small self-tapping countersunk screws supplied. The mounting plate, which carried the tubular idler arm and rubber contact wheel, should be checked to ensure clearance of 1/4 of an inch from the drive pulley flange. If adjustment is required, use the slots in the mounting bracket which connects the idler arm to the adapter plate after loosening the top and bottom bolts. Retighten these bolts once the clearance is correct. Fit the abrasive belt after checking the directional arrows inside the belt. Lift the top safety catch, which engaged when you initially removed the belt. The idler arm spring will now extend the contact wheel, and the belt will be automatically tensioned correctly. You may now adjust the pattern plate upward until it is in light contact with the underside of the belt's top run. Rotate the grinder a few revolutions. If tracking is required, it can be done easily with a short lever on the left at the back of Multitool. Pushing this lever down moves the belt left, and vice versa. There is no need to slacken any bolts for this adjustment. For further adjustments, refer to the fitting instructions. Then affix the self-adhesive abrasive disc to the cover plate. Remember to read the notes on safety and belt grinding, and then have fun using your Multitool. You'll be absolutely amazed at the professional results that this machine will produce for you. The Multitool, teaching your old grinder new tricks.